LifeQI is the web platform where tools, people and data come together to make improvement happen. It saves time and accelerates improvement projects by allowing teams to collaborate around QI tools and data. It helps organizational leaders to achieve and sustain improvement across the entire organization through accurate and real-time visibility of improvement work. So let's take a look. When you first access the system, you come through to your own personalized start page that contains links to everything you're directly involved in, e.g. your projects, the colleagues you're working with, your organization's profile, etc. You also have the main menu down the left-hand side that allows you to access each of the different areas of the system. We're going to start by going into the projects area, which is the heart of the system and where most of the work takes place. From here you can both start a new project or access an existing project. This list is showing me all of my active projects, but simply by changing the filters I can access all of my organization's projects. And if I have a particular project in mind that I'm looking for, I can use the search to filter down to all the projects, in this case on Pressure Source. Today I've got some updates for my Pressure Source project here, so I'm going to click to open that. Opening the project brings you through to the general page, and these are the other pages that make up the project. Here on the general page I have the glance panel, which shows me this project is currently a 3 out of 5. There's already a team, driver diagram, measures and charts, Pdsa ramps and cycles. First thing I'm going to do today is jump into the Pdsa section and make some updates. This is listing out all the different Pdsa ramps I have on this project and the Pdsa cycles within them. I have an update ready for this one, so I'm going to jump into this Pdsa cycle. It's currently showing me the latest cycle in this ramp, the planning information here, and if I keep scrolling down, I have the do, study, act sections. Click to edit, and I'm going to make some changes to the act section of this Pdsa cycle. There we go. Simply save those, and that will be, I'll update that Pdsa cycle for me, showing that cycle now is complete. If I'm ready to create the next cycle within this ramp, I can simply click that and be taken through to the wizard for that. But for now, I'm going to go back up to the project and start to enter some of my new measurement information. So simply click through to the measures and charts section. That's going to load up the page showing you all the different measures I have for this project, whether they be outcome, process, or balance measures. And I have some new data to add into this measure today. Click to open that measure. And we should see within that there are actually two different data sources. We're collecting the same data in two different places, Beaver and Abbey, and I have some new data to enter into the Abbey unit chart. Click to edit the chart. I can then scroll down past the chart to the data sheet, down to the bottom of the data sheet. You can copy and paste data in, but today I just have a couple of data points, so I'm going to enter them manually. 20 out of 164, 21, 165. I go back up to the chart now. Recognizes that I've updated the data, so it's asking me to redraw. Simply click that, and it has now added my new data points. So I can now see my July and August data points have been added to the chart. It's calculated the percentage, and it's also detected that that's triggered a variety of special cause variation, outlier, trend, and shift that this data is contributed to. The next thing I'm going to do is I want to link in Pdsa cycle to one of the previous data points. So click into here, it's going to show me the different Pdsa cycles on this project. It was version 2 of 3 that I started running at that point. So I'm going to update that, and that now appears on the chart for me, nice and visual and easy representing what's going on. Save those changes, and then I can close that chart. Pleased with the progress being made, so I'm now going to go back up to my general page and update the progress score for this project. This is the progress score scale that's on all of the projects in LifeQI. All projects start out at a 0.5, and the team get the chance to update the score as they make progress through this life cycle. This project has been on modest improvement. We're now content that we are definitely showing improvement, so I'm going to update the score to a 3.5 and click change score. It's important to keep this score up to date because it will be used in a lot of the reporting that's done by the wider parts of the organization. Saving that score, and then I'm going to go over to the project notice board and let the team know about the update that's been made. Down the right hand side here, I can see the team. I have a timeline, a document store, and down the bottom here, this is the project notice board or I can leave quick updates that will update the team. Simply by clicking this, all the team members will now be notified by email that I've posted on that notice board. Now I've finished updating my project, I'm going to go and have a look at some of the other projects taking place within my organisation. Within the groups area, we have all of our divisions represented as groups, and I work in the children's division, so I'm going to click to enter this one. Within here, I can see a list of the people that work within this division. I can access any documents that have been shared. We have a joint discussion thread, of which there may be several, and I have a list of all the projects taking place within the children's division. So this is the hub or the profile where I can access everything taking place within our children's division. But when looking for further detailed insights, I'm going to come into the analytics area. Here we have a range of different analytics dashboards set up, and today I'm interested in the children's division activity. So this loads, it can be real-time information on the projects taking place within our division. So I can see as of right now we have 7 active projects. If I look at the breakdown of those by progress, 5 of them are already showing improvement, 1 of which is showing sustained improvement, and further to that, 1 is showing outstanding sustainable results. All of that calculated automatically based on the progress scores. However, unfortunately, we have 1 stalled project because it has a low progress score, and that progress score has not changed in over 3 months. If I wish to investigate that project, I simply click on the 1 and it will open up the list with that project in it. However, I can also access things like the rate at which these projects are progressing by their progress scores over time within our particular division, and I can also preview some more detailed project information, showing you all of the projects and these fields from across our division. So I can see, for example, our reducing pressure source project now showing a score of 3.5, and our last progress update, as well as progress updates and key information from other projects within this division. So that's it for now. You can find out much more about LifeQI on the website by both looking into the features area, the use cases area, and you also may want to look into resources where there are customer stories and access to the help center, which contains how-to articles and short videos on how to do everything in LifeQI.